For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, piecing together the story of our universe like a cosmic detective. We thought we had a pretty good handle on the early chapters, the time right after the Big Bang, when the first galaxies were just beginning to flicker into existence. We visualized a slow, steady progression from chaos to order. But a revolutionary new cosmic eye, perched a million miles from Earth, has just thrown a wrench into our most fundamental models. What it found wasn't just a surprise, it was a structural impossibility that defies everything we thought we knew about the dawn of time. This eye is the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. It is the most powerful observatory ever built, designed specifically to peer through the thickest clouds of cosmic dust to see the very first stars and galaxies ever born. To understand how it works, you have to realize that looking deep into space is exactly the same as looking back in time. Because the universe is expanding, the light from the most distant objects has been stretched so much over billions of years that it no longer reaches us as visible light. Instead, it arrives as infrared radiation. JWST, with its massive gold plated hexagonal mirrors and ultra chilled sensors, is uniquely equipped to capture this ghostly, ancient light. It is, quite literally, a cosmic time machine, and it just dialed the clock back further than we ever thought possible. But when astronomers looked at the data coming back from the cosmic dawn, they didn't see what they expected. Prepare to have your understanding of history shaken. According to the standard model of cosmology, the rulebook we've used for decades, the early universe should have been populated by small, messy, chaotic, baby galaxies. These proto-galaxies were supposed to be the building blocks, slowly merging over billions of years to create the majestic spirals we see today. Instead, JWST has uncovered monsters in the dark. It has detected fully formed massive galaxies existing less than 500 to 900 million years after the Big Bang. In cosmic terms, that is the blink of an eye. Some of these ancient structures are as massive as our own Milky Way, containing hundreds of billions of stars. To put that in perspective, our Milky Way has had nearly 14 billion years to grow and mature. Finding these massive, structured galaxies so close to the beginning of time is like walking into a nursery and finding a group of toddlers who are 6 feet tall and weigh 200 pounds. Or, as some astronomers have put it, it's like finding a fully grown, ancient oak tree in a garden that was only planted yesterday. It simply shouldn't be there. The implications of this discovery are seismic. It suggests that our timeline for the universe might be fundamentally flawed. If these galaxies could grow this big, this fast, then the processes driving star formation and galaxy assembly must have been vastly more efficient than our physics currently allows. It forces us to ask uncomfortable questions. Is dark matter behaving differently than we predicted? Were supermassive black holes acting as seeds, pulling matter together with terrifying speed at the start of time? Or more radically, is the universe itself much older than the 13.8 billion years we've calculated? We are currently in a period of productive crisis in astrophysics. These ancient structures are forcing us to rewrite the textbooks in real time. Every new image from Webb is a reminder that the universe is far more complex, far more mysterious, and far more creative than our models gave it credit for. We aren't just looking at distant stars, we are looking at the evidence that our origin story is much deeper and more complicated than we ever dared to imagine. As we continue to peel back the layers of time, one thing is certain. The universe still has secrets that will challenge our intellect and ignite our wonder. This discovery is just the beginning of a new era of exploration. We are finally seeing the true face of the early cosmos, and it is nothing like we expected. Join us as we continue to track these breakthroughs from the edge of the reachable universe. The story of our creation is being rewritten, and the next chapter is just over the horizon. Thank you for watching and stay curious.